Wedding bells. Julie has some important plans. She's getting married. Julie's boyfriend's name is Jack. Jack's house is near Julie's house, and they have a chance to be together every day to plan the wedding. Jack can't wait to marry Julie. He is very much in love with her. Julie plans to wear her mother's wedding dress, but it depends on if her mother agrees with her. Her mother's wedding dress is quite expensive. Her mother's husband isn't Julie's dad, but she loves him. Her mother's husband's name is Philip. Philip is a pastor in a church. Philip's job is convenient for Julie and Jack because Philip can legally marry the couple. Jack's father has a children's bookstore. He also writes biographies about people's lives. His wife's name is Bertha. Bertha's passion in life is cooking. Bertha's sister is a famous chef. Bertha's sister's name is Catherine. Catherine can make all of the food for Julie and Jack's wedding. Julie's favorite cake is a white chocolate cake. Jack doesn't agree with Julie about the choice for the cake because his favorite cake is dark chocolate. They need to decide which cake to have for their wedding. Jack's job is a really good job, but Jack's boss isn't very accommodating, so they have to wait for a vacation. Jack hopes that he can take a long vacation with Julie next year. They want to go to Hawaii because Hawaii beaches are absolutely beautiful.
Like and subscribe to the channel.